So it looks like we got Bella, Mummy, and they're doing this slime. Wow.
Time for shaving cream.
Shaving cream is next. What kind of shaving cream? You got the same one?
Yep.
Alright.
Ready?
This time they use contact solution. We didn't use contact solution last time. Whoa. What does it look like, Bella?
It looks like a flower. Whoa.
It's starting to slime.
Whoa.
It's almost over.
Alright, I think we're about to give a recount.
Oh, lift that up.
Alright, ready?
Hey.
Whoa. Wait. Keep it in there, Bella.
Ah! Baby, get this thing out. So it says to add more contact solution if it gets sticky like this. So,
I think it may.
alright, baby. Mommy needs you to do contact solution.
Now,
Yep, now.
look, my first. The shaving cream. Put on my.
Huh?
Look at my ring. Get my ring.
We're gonna clean the ring.
Alright, I think that's good.
Is this one not serious?
It is, it's so fluffy.
Let me feel. Oh, it's so fluffy.
Wow.
Fluffy.
Can you pull it?
Yeah.
Let's check it. Whoa.
So I think with a little bit more contact solution we'll be all set.
So a great success on making some fluffy slime. Good job, Mummy and Bella.
We need to put glitter in it too.
Bella, how do you feel about this slime?
So fluffy.
And I think you need a little bit more contact solution. It's still a little